Good day, year ones. Let's get ready for our first English lesson. The very first thing you're going to do is practice your weekly spelling. So the first word is bounce, sound, mouth, mouse, house, south, hour, out, about, count, it, is. You need to look, say, and then write the word in today's column, which is Monday. Then we move on to our handwriting. So you need to copy your handwriting into your blue book, which is your quiz book. You copy it exactly the way you see here. 3 August with a capital A, 2020, and draw a line. Okay. Then you draw your pattern. Whenever you draw your pattern, you don't pick up your hand. Keep your hand on the paper. Make sure you use a sharp pencil and you do it in one line until the end of the page. Okay, then you practice your capital Y for yo-yo and your lowercase y still for yo-yo. Okay, we don't use Minky Monkeys, we now use dots, okay? And you always count 1, 2, 3, and you put a dot. 1, 2, 3, you put a dot, okay? And you practice your lowercase y, your words, the sentence, Yvonne yawned, a pattern, and a Monday. Okay, please do this neatly, okay? Then we move on to our opposites worksheet. Okay, so you need to choose the correct opposite. I'll read the words for you. Sweet, bright, slow, empty, fresh, heavy, noisy, false. I'll read the sentences for you so that you know what words to put in. Number 1, an orange can be bitter or a bag can be light or, okay, not light as in light and darkness, it's the weight, the one that carries weight. A train can be fast or, a bottle can be full or, a loaf of bread can be stale or, children can be quiet or, something we write can be true or, the day can be dull or, okay, so you only choose these words and write them in here. Don't add full stops because it has been added for you. Moving on to the next part of the activity. Choose the correct word. Zoo, wardrobe. Hive, cinema. Hospital, barracks. Garage, library. Okay. I'll read the sentences for you and you need to figure out which words fit in these sentences. Soldiers live in a... You're not going to write zoo, year one, because soldiers don't live in a zoo. Bees live in a... Cars are kept in a... Films are shown in a... Sick people go to a... Books are kept in a... We hang our clothes in a... Wild animals can be seen in a... And that would be the end of your English activities for today. Moving on to maths. We finished our English. Let's move on to maths. Oh, don't forget, your ones, you must write your name on the top of this worksheet. Monday, we're looking at time. Okay, you first need to watch the video before you do this activity, okay? So match the digital time to the correct analog time. This is 1 o'clock, okay? So you need to find 1 o'clock over here and just draw a line from here to 1 o'clock, okay? 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. You do the exact same thing. You match the digital time to the analog time. Use different colored monomies or color pencils. That was it for our maths. Let's move on to science. So please write your name on the top of this worksheet on this line over here. Let's see what we have in store for Monday. Okay, I will read the instructions for you. Light and dark. Light sources. A light source makes light. How many light sources can you see here? So how many objects can you see that give off light in the dark, okay? You need to circle them for me, okay? One example I'll show you is the lady with the torch, okay? I've circled one for you. I can see 5 other objects that give off light. You need to find those 5 and circle them for me. Okay, here are some words you need to learn. You've got light, reflect, moon, sun. That is it for your science, and that is it for today. See you again tomorrow with another tutorial.